Hey everyone! Today, we're exploring O&O ShutUp10++, a powerful and free tool that helps you take full control of your privacy on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you've ever worried about your data being collected or shared without your consent, this tool is a must-have. Let's break down what it is, how it works, and why it's a game-changer. O&O ShutUp10++ is a lightweight, portable program designed to help you disable Windows tracking, telemetry, and other data collection features. With no installation required, it provides detailed toggles for managing your privacy. You can customize settings or use pre-configured recommendations to shut down invasive features. Think of it like a privacy checklist for your operating system. Windows 10 and Windows 11 come loaded with features that collect diagnostic and usage data. While these might improve your user experience, they often compromise your privacy. From telemetry to targeted ads, these features can expose your personal information. Tools like O&O ShutUp10++ help minimize data leaks, ensuring that your sensitive information stays private. This is especially crucial for users who handle sensitive data, like financial records or crypto transactions, where anonymity is key. Getting started with O&O ShutUp10++ is simple. Download the tool from the official website and run it. No installation required. You'll be greeted with a list of privacy settings, each categorized as recommended, optional, or risky. Use the one-click Apply All Recommended Settings button to instantly configure the most critical privacy features. For advanced users, you can customize these settings to fit your specific needs. Remember to create a system restore point before making changes, just in case you need to revert settings later. O&O ShutUp10++ is packed with features designed to safeguard your privacy and give you complete control over Windows settings. Telemetry control. Stop Windows from collecting and transmitting usage data and diagnostics, ensuring your activities stay private. This is especially useful for preventing unintended data leaks. App and permission management. The tool allows you to disable app access to sensitive devices like your camera, microphone, and location services, putting you in control of what apps can do. Windows Update Management. Tired of unexpected updates? ShutUp10++ lets you control the timing and frequency of Windows updates, helping maintain stability for critical tasks. Ad and tracking restrictions. Disable targeted advertising and personalized tracking features, creating a less intrusive browsing and app experience. Lightweight and portable. ShutUp10++ requires no installation, just download and run. It's an efficient and hassle-free addition to your privacy toolkit. No paywalls. Unlike many privacy tools, O&O ShutUp10++ offers all of its features without any fees or subscription, making it accessible for everyone. These features ensure you have both flexibility and peace of mind, whether you're looking for a quick privacy boost or a deeper level of customization. O&O ShutUp10++ offers several advantages for Zono and crypto users by enhancing privacy and system control. It minimizes the exposure of sensitive wallet data and transaction details by disabling telemetry and tracking features, ensuring your activities remain confidential. By restricting app permissions, such as access to your clipboard, microphone, and camera, it creates a more secure environment for crypto wallet applications. Additionally, ShutUp10++ gives users control over system updates, which is particularly beneficial for maintaining stability when managing nodes or wallets, preventing unintentional resets of critical security configurations. On shared devices, it further ensures privacy by eliminating data trails, safeguarding your crypto activity from being exposed to other users. O&O ShutUp10++ is more than just a privacy tool, it's your partner in creating a secure, controlled digital environment. Whether you're safeguarding personal data, managing crypto wallets, or simply reducing unnecessary data collection, this tool makes it easier than ever. Give it a try and lock down your privacy by taking control of your Windows experience. Thanks for watching.